1994 Ford Thunderbird V8 Classic. It's got the factory converters there, and there. Then it has a resonator here we took out and put a Flow FX by FLOWMASTer. If you want to purchase one, look in the description. And we did a muffler delete on the back. Right there and right there. And then we put quad tips there and there. Came out really nice. Just a really clean car. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Nice and deep. Sounds really good. You don't see these cars no more. Very rare. That's nice. That's perfect.